Hey there, corporate planners looking to elevate your next corporate retreat. Imagine this, your team in Paris, the City of Light, with every detail meticulously planned by Luxury Travels by Dreamy Designer Events, LLC. First, let's talk location. Paris isn't just a backdrop, it's an experience. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to charming Montmartre streets, your team will be surrounded by inspiration. Imagine walking into a luxurious hotel with breathtaking views and top-notch amenities. We've got connections with the best venues, ensuring your stay is nothing short of spectacular. Now onto the agenda. With Dreamy Designer Events, expect more than just meetings. How about a brainstorming session in a historic chateau? Or team-building activities on a private Seine River cruise? Whether it's a gourmet cooking class or an exclusive wine tasting in a Parisian cellar, every activity is tailored to boost creativity and collaboration. Foodies rejoice. Paris is a culinary capital. We'll arrange dining experiences that tantalize your taste buds. Picture your team enjoying a Michelin-starred dinner or a charming cafe brunch. Every meal is an event in itself, designed to delight and impress. Of course, business needs come first. Our expert planners will ensure your meetings run smoothly. From state-of-the-art conference rooms to high-speed internet, everything you need is at your fingertips. And when it's time to unwind, how about an evening of live jazz or a night at the theater? Travel logistics? Leave that to us. Our VIP service includes seamless airport transfers, professional guides, and concierge services to handle any request. All you need to do is focus on your team and your goals. So, why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Elevate your corporate retreats with Luxury Travels by Dreamy Designer Events, LLC, and make Paris not just a destination, but a memory your team will cherish forever. Ready to start planning? Contact us today and let's make your dream retreat a reality. Thanks for watching.